Yo, I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I wanna really, really, really wanna say this thing.
Oh my God, we're back again. Brothers, sisters, everybody sing. Am I original? Am I the only one?
So these are all the pieces to the, call it Midsummer Dream picnic that we're having here with the family. It's just a little condiment holder. So we'll put this all together now. There's the bench seats, the support, bottle support, the legs, the actual picnic top, and the other support. Okay, let's put this together. So I screwed up. I forgot to print two of these pieces here. So it's a different color because I ran out of filament on my original one. So now let's put this together. So I'm using super glue on this just to make sure it adheres properly and that it's strong enough. And once again, just put some super glue. Take your piece, line up the slots. Hard to do with one hand, sorry guys. Put it in place. Same thing on this side. Glue it all up. Notches on the bottom, line them up. Snap to it. Now we'll take the two side pieces that we got here and attach them to these little spots here. So once again, some glue. Doesn't need much. And then the two side labels attach, or table legs, I guess. The final piece is putting on the Midsummer Dream top. So I put the glue on top of the four nibs. The four nibs actually attach to those four locations. Sorry guys. So snap them into place. And voila! Summer of Dream picnic table. I made a wood version of this one too for my laser cutter, which is this one here. Same sort of style, I guess, but I cut out Fred on the side of this one. Hope you enjoyed. Take care.